Hello students, welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the concept of community health. What is the assumption, what is the scope, how the measures may be taken to improve the community health. These are the things we have discussed in the previous class. Now we are going to discuss about the meaning of communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. As you know, diseases are in two types. First one is communicable. It's easy to transfer or transmit one person to another person. Non-communicable diseases are not communicable with one brother or from one person to another person. Let us have a look on the meaning of communicable diseases. A communicable disease is any disease that passes between people or animals. Communicable diseases are also called as infectious or transmissible diseases. Pathogens such as viruses, bacteria and fungi causes these diseases. Usually, communicable diseases are caused by viruses, bacteria and fungal infections. Communicable diseases are nothing but the diseases which are easily transmissible from one person to another person, not only one person to any kind of animals or from animals to man. These are the communicable diseases. A person may develop a communicable disease after becoming infected by the pathogen. This may happen through how the person can get communicable disease. It maybe happens direct contact with a person carrying the pathogen. The person who is already infected by the disease or carrying the pathogen called virus or fungi or bacteria. If a healthy person may come contact with the person who is carrying the pathogen, he is having the high risk of communicable disease. Contact with contaminated fluids such as blood, mucus, saliva, etc. These are the by knowingly or unknowingly, if a healthy man or healthy person may come to contact with the contaminated fluids such as blood, mucus or saliva, may have the high risk to having the communicable disease. Inhaling contaminated droplets from another person's cough or sneeze. Take for example corona, novel corona is spread through sneezing and cough. These are the ways how the communicable diseases may transfer from one person to another person. Receiving a bite from an animal or insect carrying the pathogen. Take for example, Anopheles may causes malaria, or biting of a dog may create rabies. These are the things. Consuming contaminated water or fluids or foods. Once a pathogen has entered a person's body, it will begin replicating, growing enormously, uncontrollable. It may create its own regime or kingdom in the body by fighting with the white blood cell and the stamina of the personality. If the infectious man come to contact with the healthy man, if the healthy man get the contaminated food or share any food with the diseased man, the pathogen may enter to the healthy man's body. It will create a kingdom of its own by replicating itself. Communicable diseases may like this: viral fever, common cold, cholera, COVID-19 are the examples for communicable diseases. Then, what are the non-communicable diseases? Non-communicable diseases or NCDs also known as chronic diseases, tend to be a long duration and are the result of a combination of genetic, physiological, environmental and behaviors factors. Non-communicable diseases are not transmissible from one person to another person. It's very chronic disease, tend to be a long duration, and as the result of combination of genetics or body structure, nature, genes, physiology, environmental and behavior factors may have influence on non-communicable diseases. The main type of non-communicable diseases are cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks, strokes, cancers, chronic respiratory diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, and asthma and diabetes are the non-communicable diseases. It may happen only from the environment, conditions, lifestyles, genetics, physiology of the person who is affecting by the non-communicable diseases. These are the concepts. In this class we have discussed communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases, types, and how the communicable diseases may transfer from one person to another person. Hope you understand properly. Thank you.